Hey guys, I'm Masood and in this video we're going to see how can we remove an object from our photo in Photoshop. So in this photo that I took in Isfahan, I don't want this guy, with all due respect, be here. For the small objects in photos we can use just spot healing brush tool, like removing this cloud. But since our object in this photo is big, it's better to use patch tool. We select the object. Take your time and do this carefully. After we selected it, we choose an area that looks most natural to place in our selected area. It's completely normal if it's not going to be perfect in the first step. So we try again, choosing smaller areas and replace them. Do that till it's almost like we have a new photo without the troublesome object. After that, I want to use the spot healing brush tool to make it cleaner. And that's it, we have our new photo here. Thanks everyone for watching this video, like it if it was useful and subscribe for more.